Today we're making street tacos. Well, taco bowls. And we're going to cut up this steak meat, this beef chuck 7-bone steak, into thin strips. So we want to cut our meat into thin strips just like this, long ways, at an angle. So now we're going to use some of this street taco seasoning to marinate it in. And then we're going to stir fry it. So now we're going to pour this all up on the meat. And then we're going to give it a good old mix together. So we're going to go ahead and give it a good toss around. You're going to get your seasoning mixed up in there. Yeah, I'm using some prongs, you guys. I want this seasoning to get all up in the meat. Season it all up. So now we're going to allow our meat to marinate for at least 30 to 45 minutes so we can get all them flavors inside. So while we're waiting for the meat to marinate, we're going to chop up an onion. My bad. Tomato, onion, and cilantro to make some pico for our topping for our taco bowls. So we're going to sit here and chop up our cilantro. So now we're going to put our cilantro into our bowl. I'm going to chop up our tomato into little bitty slices. We're going to drop in our tomatoes, all the tomatoes. Now we're going to chop up our onion. Drop your onions in small pieces. So now we're going to drop in our onions. And we made our pico. So next is to do the meat. So our pico is done. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator while waiting to do the meat. So we're going to grease our pan up a little bit. Let's drop our meat in. So now we just stir fry our meat until it turns brown. Starting to get brown. Your meat is done, so we can go ahead and turn it off. So now that our meat and stuff is done inside cilantro, we're going to take these tortilla shells, well, soft tacos, and I have these taco bowls, which we're going to put them inside the taco bowl. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them inside. They fit right in the side of them, just like this. And then you just stick them in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes until they're browned. So now let's just put them in the oven and bake them. So while our taco bowls are making, we're gonna warm up some refried beans to go with this. So there goes our refried beans, and you just gotta warm them up to go with the meat.